Hi everyone, it's Vicente and I teach Spanish on italki.com. Today I will be talking about 3 Spanish constructions for beginners that you can use when you speak Spanish. These constructions are very easy and useful, and I am sure they will help you to improve your Spanish. Let's go for the first one. The first construction is quiero plus infinitive verb. An infinitive verb is when the verb ends in ar, or ir, and is a not conjugated form of the verb. This construction we can express future intentions or things that you want to do. For example, este fin de semana quiero descansar un poco, or mañana no quiero trabajar. The second construction is voy a plus infinitive. This construction can substitute the future simple at the beginning of your learning process, and it's really easy to use. Let's see some examples. Mañana voy a ir al parque, which means tomorrow I'm going to go to the park. Or voy a estudiar más español este año, which means I'm going to study more Spanish this year. The third construction I want to teach you today is tengo que plus infinitive verb. And it's very useful to talk about obligations or things that you have to do. For example, tengo que preparar la clase de español, which means I have to prepare the Spanish lesson. Or, bien, este fin de semana no tengo que trabajar, which means good, this weekend I don't have to work. I hope you find these constructions easy to use and a very practical way. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the italki YouTube channel over here for more tips on learning Spanish. Take a lesson with me on italki.com by clicking on my profile link in the description. See you later!